Is it possible to turn on the lights without turning off our responsibility? For us in iGuzzini, the answer is yes. All you have to do is choose the right light. Since the 1980s, we've been committed to using light to raise awareness about the environment, ethics, and social issues. Starting with our first advertising campaigns against light pollution, anticipating by decades what is today global attention to the importance of sustainability. Our answer to the planet's needs is intelligent, efficient, and on-demand light, designed to preserve the integrity of the environment and human well-being. Through continuous research, development, and innovation, we've reached the highest levels of energy efficiency, investing in durability, control systems, new technologies, recycled and recyclable materials, and sustainable production. Our goal is to be carbon neutral by 2030, supporting the European Green Deal. Look at the world under a new light, clean, efficient, and on demand, an intelligent light.